Hi everyone, welcome to Matesia. This is Ansh Talreja from Color Tech India. And here we have got some exclusive panels for you guys to check out. Today we have got polished plaster and liquid metal. So this is a combination of black color and gold color. We have maintained the same black and gold color combination and also introduced neo cement and liquid metal. At the same time, we've also introduced Marmarino and liquid metal. So they all are giving us the same color combination, but the touch and feel is different. This is what we want to show with texture. That whenever you touch a surface, you're feeling a different effect. So polished plaster is giving us a soft marble feel. Liquid metal is giving us real metal ki touch and feel. Now this part has become really cold. And the best part is you can see the reflection over here as well. So that's like really cool about liquid metal. Now moving on to neo cement. This time we have done a metallic wash also on top of neo cement. You can feel the natural concrete effect when you touch the surface, as well as the reflection of liquid metal is what we are seeing over here right now. This is a special customized color in liquid metal. It's basically a brass and bronze mixed color. And then here we have done a matte lime concrete effect. And as you can see over here, you can see the reflection because of lime over here as well. You can see my hand getting the reflection effect. Moving on, we also have some crazy CNC cut HDHMR panels that you are able to see over here, which have got these nice contours inside. So this is like a bronze liquid metal. The black line you're seeing over here is iron liquid metal, and this part was applied with the help of a trowel and then buffed and sanded. This one was just sprayed and then buffed and sanded. The same way we have applied a color called brass gold liquid metal over here, complemented with the iron liquid metal over here as well. So these are simple applications. Any painter of yours that has done PU in the past can easily do liquid metal now. सिर्फ PU बेस करना है, फिर उसके ऊपर स्प्रे करना है आपको, चाहे वो ACP है, MS है, मेटल है, every different surface. Now अगर आपको मेटल में अगर टेक्सचर भी देना है, तो you see my reflection. When you touch the surface, you'll feel the undulation created with the texture also. And हम लोगों ने इसके अंदर एक और न्यू चीज़ की, we have also sprayed a plain iron on top, so showing texture के ऊपर like an ombre kind of a blend. So you can see like an antique aged aluminium sheet over here right now. And this entire panel, guys, camera में तो मालूम नहीं पड़ेगा, but it's become entirely cold. So because there's AC over here, metal is adapting to the temperature changes as well. Moving on to what else we have inside. We've got multiple different protection coats of woods also on display, which are being boxed over here right now. So we've got Magno Nature, we've got Decorator Varnish, we've also got Polylock over here. So we have shown veneers this time, and we're showing how awesome these protection coats are and how they have been withstanding all the weather conditions and they're not changing any colors. Then this time we have done something new. We've also displayed out all the different catalogs of Color Tech over here in a very acrylic, in the acrylic box over here. Then we have made these two amazing panels in monocoach this time. So this is very cool. This is like an exterior coating, facade पे लगता है आपके. Rough texture है. यही same material को हम लोग ने और modify करके sanded version अभी just launch किया, which is basically a exposed terrazzo type of a marble stone finish. At the same time, we've also made a more artistic panel with this, which you can see over here right now. So this is like the sea effect, and what you're seeing over here right now giving us this water effect, guys. This is my new protection coat. It's called Carolux Gel. So it gives a very high gloss finish over here as well, and like here you can see this just applied in a more artistic manner. Moving on to what other panels we have. We've also got one very new polished plaster over here right now. So it's like a smooth effect and a pitted effect. So जब इसको touch करोगे एकदम soft marble की feel आएगी, and ऐसा travertine में कैसे खड्डे रहते हैं, exactly like that you will get the texture feel over here. This is also another very cool panel over here right now. So this is polished plaster. When you touch polished plaster, you're feeling a very nice soft marble finish. So guys, I highly recommend this material. This is really cool, giving us an amazing finish. And here you can see I've complemented with liquid metal over here as well. So like any color in this is possible. The material is white in color. So as and when you desire a different finish, we can do that.